Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2003 Mazda 6 stock number 6507. This ran from the 9th 2002 to the 4th 2003. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight. Left front 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,